Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back to Trading Minutes. Today is Friday, 30th of January. Um, Today, market gave a very good downside movement. I don't know how many of you were able to capture that. I think it's 10% fall. Let me tell you. Let me show you. And I just took a trade. Couldn't share with you. Yeah, that went well above the TP. In 1000 pips ka target tha, and it's achieved in less than I don't know 15 minutes. So now for let's go into the weekly candle because I want to see it. I've not seen that, but let's see it together. Hmm, yeah, expected because in this week only it went upside and it's down. So this could be the engulfing candle. So today it should, in next 4 hours it should come to 650, at least test that level. I think it would do that. So the target of another 1000 pips in the bag, but there is a lot of things before that, so we should be careful of that. But daily wise, if you see, today is the whole, it covered all of the whatever in the last 7 days, whatever happened, it covered it whole in this day only. And that, I think that's the importance of gold. That's how it works, right? So 649. I think this fair value will be covered. So yeah, I think it's going fast, guys. Let's try to take some uh, scalps, right? Let's get into it. Selling is what we are going to do, and I've already done it. We've already done it. Is a 60% level. So I sold. See, I marked this level, 60% level, and also double bottom, double top. I took the trade. I did not hesitate for a second, and I was about to share you that, but by the time I did that, it's already gone. Anyways, so 1000 pips ka trade. W's in the chat for that. But yeah, let's 5 minutes per jacket. Let's try to capture some pips. Hmm, this trend line. Let's see if it has followed this trend line in the recent times. I don't think it has. So let's leave it. Hmm, 750 I would give. Yeah, 750. I would give selling a scalp. This would just be a scalp, so I want it to be sharp. Let me have a limit order placed. Let me have a limit order placed. 750 is what I'm expecting. Where it could fall from. Hmm, market is very volatile, very volatile. So please uh, try to keep the trades as precise as possible because this kind of a volatility market you'll probably lose. And even a small kind of a slippage could take you out. So I have placed my limit order. Let's see, I want it to be sharp, so not more than 30, 40 pips. I won't give more than that, but I need some kind of a solution, this before it, because I need some kind of confirmation before it. So let me have a Fibonacci also here. Mm, sure, it can work. It can work. I think this would, yeah. 685 here. I think it could come back here, back to here. That's what I'm expecting. Let's see. I hope you're in this trade. 50 where we entered. I think some 50 whips course we have to give. Oh, more than that. I'm not put an SL. But yeah, lower quantity, guys. Quantity low rakna. So 500 pips, more than 500 pips, you can capture 550 pips. That's the target. Should be risk free by now. All right. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. 230 pips in the chat. Let me have my risk free as well. Yeah, risk free तो बहुत नीचे मिल गया. That's very cool. So risk free, guys. Risk free. Risk free. Risk free. And 700 pay. Should we have a target of 700 only because 700 is here. But 50 ठीक है. Let's have a target. Let's see how it behaves at here. If it's just going back faster, then we'll not hold it a lot of time. If it's not 695 is our TB right now, which we can okay, guys, let's go. 500 pips in the chat. 500 pips in the chat, guys. Let's go. Book कर दिया मैंने. What a trade, guys. What a trade. 1:6. Perfect entry, perfect sell, perfect TP. See, that's how fast you should be. See, I think, yeah. Hmm. Where did we go with this? Perfect TP, guys. Perfect TP. I think it's a potential. There's a potential of 686 also, but yeah, perfect TP 540 pips. I think I booked it at same. I don't know with my quantity. I can't understand how much that is, but yeah, something like that. And it came back also. So 500 pips in a 5 minute candle, in 1 minute candle. So that's what the volatility of gold is right now. You see how down gold is 11.27%, and I'm telling you it will go to 640, 649, 649. Where is 649? 650 तक जाएगा. So maybe before that there will be some upside move, but today it needs to go to 649. So it should quarrel with the low. That's what I would call it. Yeah. We got our TP and wow, guys, just wow. 500 pips in the chat on live stream, and just before that we captured 1000 bips. Sensational trades we are taking today. Yeah, we could have taken a lot of other trades. So this trade also we could have taken actually. It's a double top cut trade, right? Double top cut trade. I would have definitely taken this trade, and it's also a trend line trade. So we would have taken this trade, and our TP would have been what, 900 to 800, somewhere around that 1000 pips. I think I think it's fair to say now it's very easy to get 1000 pips. And I think after this close, we should have, and we have a engulfing candle, then some drama here. So 5000, I need to know 5000 ka anything happened. I think this is 5000 now. 5000, where is it? Yeah. On a 5000 pay, there will be one test, guys. I insanely remember that when uh, round number like 5000 is not met at the first time of its approach, there will be a time when the market comes to it and it just sells off, showing its power at that time. So I think that did not happen yet with the 5000 level. I think we are yet to see that. Let's see what will happen, but I don't know. So actually we can take a sell trade, but I'm expecting some bullish moment. Should we take a sell trade? We can take a selling scalp, but have a sell. There's a fair value gap here. But yeah, we can take a selling scalp, guys. I would recommend taking selling scalp 775 pay. 775 pay. Let's take a selling scalp again. All right. I mean, we did a very wonderful job today. 5 minutes, my guys. Only in 5 minutes. If you want to try, you can. It's a little risky trade, but yeah, you can try, guys. Try to make it sharp. I don't think it came to that. 70 tak to nahi. Oh my god, it just went away. 100 पिप अब 10 पिप के जैसा हो गया है. That is how movement is. So this movement 500 pips we just captured would I think would be 50 pips when we were capturing gold at similar times. Sold, guys. I sold 73 पे हुआ था मेरा. So let's go. Let's see. I know I didn't put RR, but yeah, be risk free. Try to be risk free. It's coming back. Hmm, इतना बड़ा तो नहीं दूंगा. Of course. फिर वाली आप कवर नहीं करना चाहिए या be risk free, guys. Be risk free. Be risk free, guys. Be risk free. 150 whips up. Let's go. Let's go 200 whips up, guys. What trades are we taking today? 170 whips right now. Volatility of gold giving us what we need. Be risk free. Be risk free. I hope you are risk free. And target would be we shouldn't probably think of 691. 690 is a good level, but I don't. We'll come back to that. It could definitely come back to that. There's a good possibility that it could do that. Hmm. Target currently 700. 500 रखते हैं guys. 500. Let's keep it 500. No? Yeah, risk free in this trade, but I risk freed very lower. I think 200 pips per I risk free the trade. So see this candle needs to close below this. I want that closer below this and maybe test this trend line. उससे ऊपर गया तो it's a very difficult trade for me. I need this to be a red candle and that is what I need. So plan. I told you yesterday only. If you are doing with a one lot, now you should at least decrease by 50% quantity. At least I told you the math comes around somewhere around 0.4, but at least you should do a 50% quantity half because volatility is very high, guys. Very high. Look at this. Look at this. 300 pips up. Let's go. 300 pips up in what? I don't know. 2 minutes. 350 pips. 400 pips up now. I'm just. Gold is running like crazy. Let's go, guys. Let's go. If you want to book, you can book it because possibly it can give us what do you call it? Consolidation. If it does give us consolidation, then कभी कभी ऐसा करता है कि लो से ही चले जाता है. So if you want to book it, you can. 400 pips. 400 pips in the chat. 400 470 हो गया है. 470 हो गया है. I will also have my TP set. TP set, guys. Let's go. 500 pips. 500 pips. 500 pips in the chat, guys. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Another 500 pips ka trade. Today gold is just. It wants to give us money. Just wants to give us money. Should we try our luck one more time? We, see, this trade was very simple. Double top. This is also double top plus 60%. And this is also 60%. Yeah, I've not seen this, but I think it should be around that. Let me check. Yeah, this it's not actually, but double top I gave it away. So now I think it could give us a little bit bullish moment, but I don't want to take bullish trades right now because selling has been very good to us. We captured 1000 pips cut rate, two 500 pips cut rate in this stream, guys. Sorry, two 500 pips cut trades in this stream, 1000 pip trade before the stream. So total 2000 pips on a Friday. I think Friday and Thursday are, I think, good for us somehow. They've been good to us. They still are. Mm, and yeah, expected this because 690 is not a good level that it could form a double bot. It could form a double bottom, guys, because यहाँ पे 60% level it has not touched. Let me check. So I think this could happen. एक बार ट्राई कर सकते हैं 682 पे एक छोटी वाली क्वांटिटी से एक वो छोटा वाला भाई लेते हैं 682 से गैस 683 से लेते हैं लेट मी बी शार्प इन दिस आल्सो ना 685 आ रहा है एक छोटा वाला भाई गैस छोटा वाला वेरी छोटा वाला भाई छोटू छोटू भाई took the trade perfect 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 150 pips up let's see very small SL guys 85 पे लिया था let's go guys let's go what are hacker or what today SL very low SL guys very low SL this low के नीचे रख दो SL I don't recommend any more than that let's go 250 whips up guys 250 whips up 300 whips up guys 300 whips up guys let's go guys let's go 70 whips का SL है रिस्क फ्री कर दो guys रिस्क फ्री तो कर ही दो प्रॉफिट भी बुक कर सकते हो बिकॉज सेलिंग का है दिस विल बी अ स्कैल्प ट्रेड ओनली आई टोल्ड यू गाइस सो लेट्स बुक इट हियर ओनली इतना टीपी तो नहीं दूंगा ऑफ कोर्स 350 pips let's book it guys let's book it let's book it nice guys very nice today we are the hackers maybe I am right let's see but selling है ना so I book the trade guys please book the trade 350 pips पे I have booked the trade it's still there only बढ़िया सी ट्रेडिंग है बढ़िया सी सेलिंग है और बाइंग है yeah this is what I was expecting I told you na let me show you what I was thinking yeah something like this 60% का लेवल पे है तो लो को मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया आई प्रेडिक्टेड दिस लो एंड gave a stop loss a little bit of stop loss and then it worked out perfectly I know it went more than that 500 pips के ऊपर चला गया लेकिन 350 स्कैल्प से it's very fine very nice guys today just hacking the gold today with the volatility it has I told you six but the main support will be here only six कहाँ पे है 650 पे 649 650 पे यही पे होगा बस आई एम टेलिंग इट विल बी देयर That will be the support. But as I told you, I expected this, and as you can see, I told you right, there will be some kind of a retracement, and that is this. And that's the intuition. It took only 350 pips out of it, but what a perfection, guys! It just made highest pips in a day. There was a stream where we made 1500 pips before, so I think we passed that. Did we pass that? No, we made 1200 pips before on a day, not on a stream. On a stream, it's I think 800 pips in March or March April of last year. So that was the highest. But today we have broken that record, and we took two 500 pips cut rates and one 350 pips cut rate. That 1050 pips up on the stream right now, guys. Hacker or what? Let's go. And DXY, as you can see, is falling. Sure. Anyways, आज तो ज़्यादा हो गया. That is a lot of trading for today. Let's 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 sleep on it, shall we? Or we can take a good trade. Let me see if the 50% of this work out. What is this? This is that. I don't want this anymore. Do I want this? What is this? That I don't want this anymore. One is this. The other is this. Now currently at 50% level, giving some, but when it closes above, guys, I think it will close above. Yeah, that's all we needed. Now it's a buying trade. क्वांटिटी लेस रखो. जब थोड़ा नीचे आएगा बाय कर लो गैस. बाय 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 बाय. बाय कर लो गैस. लेट्स गो. लेट्स गो. लेट्स गो गैस. लेट्स गो. कम ऑन. टारगेट बताता हूँ. एक मिनट, एक मिनट गैस. एक मिनट गैस, एक मिनट. इसके लो के नीचे रख दो. 200 पिप्स चल रहा है. 300 पिप्स तक गया है. टारगेट या टारगेट तो यही था गैस. आई मीन जस्ट मिस द टारगेट. बट या बुक कर लो गैस. बुक कर लो. 240 पिप्स बुक कर लो. 200 पिप्स बुक कर लो. बढ़िया वाला स्कैल्प है. बढ़िया वाला स्कैल्प. बढ़िया वाला स्कैल्प है. ओके. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. टोल्ड यू क्लोजिंग हैपेंड अबव. थोड़ा सा विक देगा और निकल गया. सिंपल एज दैट. एंड इसका हाई पे भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं. ये वाला पे 830 पे एक और सेल प्लान कर सकते हैं. आई थिंक दैट विल बी गुड. 60% पे एवरीबॉडी विल बी थिंकिंग 60% पे सेल होगा. नहीं भाई, यहाँ पे होगा. 829, 830 पे करेंगे. 830 पे स्कैल्प मारेंगे. We have made what? 350, 200, 250. Is it 250 now? Okay. Come on. Let's go, guys. Let's go. अभी तक आया नहीं है, but yeah, be ready. बी रेडी इज व्हाट आई वुड से। रेडी पे रहना। एक बढ़िया वाली स्कैल्प करेंगे, बढ़िया वाली। ये भी शार्प रहेगा। दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ स्कैल्पिंग। इस पे 250 पिप्स किया, वहाँ पे 350 पिप्स किया, 600 प्लस 1000, more than 1000, though 600, 1600 pips on the stream, guys. 1600 pips on the stream. कभी हुआ है? कोई एक और ट्रेड लेते हैं। Let's try our luck sometimes. Until, I mean, for some time until we ran out of luck. एक और selling. This will be my last probably. I think it hit my, yeah, entered guys, entered. Be risk free. नीचे चला गया। Be risk free. बहुत फास्ट है। Be risk free. Be risk free कर देना। ठीक है। 30 पे रखा है और 35 तक गया है। Be risk free guys. यही यही वीक है। इसके ऊपर चला गया तो आई डोंट वांट इट, वी डोंट वांट इट। ठीक है, लेट्स गो गाइस, लेट्स गो। 100 pips up, 100 pips up, 120 pips up, 130 pips up now. And target, let me tell you the target. Target will be this low। 500 pips तो कैप्चर करेंगे इस पर, करेंगे 500 pips। ठीक है, लास्ट ट्रेड रहेगा ये। आई एम गुड विथ व्हाट इट गिव मी गोल्ड टुडे। ठीक है, एस एल सेट सबसेट 70 pips का एस एल है, and we are risk free। This will be the last trade, let's do it, let's do it good। 500 pips देगा या 70 pips ले जाएगा? ले जाएगा बिकॉज क्लोजिंग ऊपर दे दिया है। नाउ देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी। अब मैं बोलूंगा कि जहां पे भी मिल रहा है बुक कर सकते हो। 50 पिप्स, 30 पिप्स, 40 पिप्स गिर सकता है। देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ पॉसिबिलिटी, बट what it is na कि it closed above the 60% level, that is the problem। I will hold till my SL। think it will hit about in, I don't know, 1 minute। हो सकता है, it definitely could be, possibly। and SL hit guys, SL hit guys, risk free, let's go। We did a very great job, and let's go guys। What is stream, what is stream? Just perfectly executed stream, and predicted this low also. We did predicted this low. I told you ki this would happen. So yeah, I mean, what can I tell you more, right? There's a lot of other things we could do in the market, but too much too much of trading also will kill you guys, so let's not do that। We all already up 1600 pips today on the stream, and 1000 pips off the stream. I think 2600 pips on a day is a very high number। I know gold has uh, been down around 4000 pips today. I don't know how many pips is that. Five. Okay, 5000 pips today. Of that, we have captured the 50% on the on just evening of the sessions. So I think we should be proud of that. And let's end the stream today. Thank you. And it's only half an hour into the stream, and we are up 1600 pips. We did everything we could, and we made a risk-free trade. And now I know it's going down, but yeah, we did that, and finally 1600 pips ka day. I mean 1000 pip ka day. We were waiting for it. I think it happened once. It was around 950 pips. It was around 1000 pips, but today Today it's yeah, we did it, guys. We did it. 1600 pips in the chat. We'll try to take another trade if possible in the next few ones. So I know this buying trade was very good, right? So it could have been more than only 350 pips, but as I told you, let's not be that greedy. In this market, if you're getting that many pips in your quantity, you don't want to risk more, right? And look at our risks, guys. How good are our SLs, right? How are we doing this? I mean, that's so good, right? So keep in mind that we are having a good RRs. Told you, right? When it closed above, na, I knew it. The way it closed above, I understood that this is going up. Now this should be the first indication, and after that, I know it definitely will happen. Here we'll have a red candle, one red candle possibly, and then we'll have again the test of this. Probably think from here it will fall a little bit. I think so, but let's see. But I don't want to push my luck too much today. I've did a good job. So yeah, take care, guys. Bye bye. See you next week. I hope we did do the same thing next week, right? On all the days, not only on Friday. I know Friday. These Fridays have been given us. Actually, last Friday also we did do good amount of pips. I think around 500 pips we did, which was very high at that time. So uh, I think yeah, and let's not look at it in pips anymore. Maybe we should change our way of looking at our. I mean, we could take it as a good way, but it's not really that what we're doing. So if the same thing I was doing, let's say, I don't know, 5 months ago, this would have only all this trade combined would have been only, I don't know, 150 to 300, 300 and around 400 pips, guys. Not more than that, 400, 450 pips. That is what it is. So we're doing three times that. The same movement, but three times that. So your quantity should be 30%, 33.33% of that, but we are doing 50%. So there is that factor that always affects us. But yeah, very productive stream, very productive week. Yesterday also we captured a lot, no? Yesterday, I think 1500 pips on the day, and today 2600 pips on the day, ending the week with more than 5000 pips, guys, which is the total movement of gold today. So 5000 pips on the week. Let's go. Please do subscribe to our channel. Please do subscribe to our Telegram channel where I post trades every freaking trading day. So there you go. Thank you. Bye bye. And see you next time.